Hello and welcome to our discussion on incident and problem management processes in ISO 20000-1. In this session, we'll explore the key aspects of incident and problem management as outlined in the ISO 20000-1 standard and their importance in maintaining the quality and reliability of IT services. Incident management is a process within the scope of ISO 20000-1 that focuses on the rapid detection, recording, classification, and resolution of incidents to minimize their impact on IT services and restore normal service operation as quickly as possible. Incidents are unplanned interruptions or reductions in the quality of IT services, and the incident management processes aims to resolve them promptly to minimize disruption to business operations. Key components of incident management in ISO 20000-1. ISO 20000-1 outlines several key components of incident management that organizations should address to effectively manage incidents. These include incident detection and recording, prompt detection and recording of incidents through various channels such as service desks, monitoring tools, or user reports. Incident classification and prioritization. Categorization and prioritization of incidents based on their impact and urgency to ensure appropriate response and resolution. Incident investigation and diagnosis. Thorough investigation and diagnosis of incidents to identify their root causes and determine appropriate resolution actions. Incident resolution and closure. Timely resolution of incidents to restore normal service operation and closure of incidents once they are resolved to the satisfaction of users. Understanding problem management. Problem management is another process within ISO 20000-1 that focuses on identifying and addressing the root causes of recurring incidents or underlying issues that contribute to IT service disruptions. The problem management processes aims to prevent the recurrence of incidents, minimize their impact, and improve overall service quality. Key components of problem management in ISO 20000-1. ISO 20000-1 outlines several key components of problem management that organizations should address to effectively manage problems. These include problem identification. Identification of underlying issues are recurring incidents through trend analysis, root cause analysis, or proactive monitoring. Problem investigation and diagnosis. In-depth investigation and analysis of problems to determine their root causes and potential solutions. Problem resolution. Developing and implementing corrective actions to address root causes and prevent the recurrence of problems. Problem closure and review. Verification of problem resolution, closure of problems, and review of the effectiveness of corrective actions to ensure that underlying issues are addressed satisfactorily. Importance of incident and problem management. Incident and problem management are critical processes in ISO 20000-1 as they help organizations maintain the quality and reliability of IT services by promptly resolving incidents and addressing underlying issues. By implementing effective incident and problem management processes, organizations can minimize service disruptions, improve service levels, and enhance customer satisfaction. Benefits of effective incident and problem management. Effective incident and problem management offers several benefits to organizations, including reduced service downtime and disruption to business operations, improved service quality and reliability, enhanced customer satisfaction and confidence in IT service, identification and resolution of underlying issues to prevent recurrence, continuous improvement of IT service delivery processes. In conclusion, incident and problem management are essential processes in ISO 20000-1 that helps organizations maintain the quality and reliability of IT services. by promptly detecting, recording, and resolving incidents and addressing underlying issues through problem management. Organizations can minimize service disruptions, improve service levels, and ultimately achieve greater success in IT service management. Thank you for joining us today, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.